हे गाइस वेलकम बैक टू द प्राइजेस क्लिप्स चैनल जहां पर हम अपने लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोस के शॉर्टर वर्जन डालते हैं ताकि आप कम समय में ज़्यादा बेनिफिट उठा सकें। सी यू एट द एंड ऑफ दिस एपिसोड। आई विल आस्क यू अ वेरी सेंसिटिव क्वेश्चन। मे बी अभी आजकल काफ़ी इसके बारे में न्यूज़ आ रही है। व्हाट इज़ द जो कोलकाता रेप केस हुआ, ठीक है?
Yeah.
आपने एक पॉडकास्ट में बोला था कि अगर एक सिविलियन का ब्लड शेड होता है तो आर्मी विल डू वॉट एवर टू, है ना,
Yeah, it is avenged.
एवेंज्ड।
यानी उसका बदला लिया जाता है. Yes, I stand
What
by those
what
words.
can army do here in this case?
Okay. First of all, the rape case which you are talking about, as a society, we have failed.
Yeah.
Yeah, यानी कि it is a shame. What I personally feel that a woman doctor, army or armed forces in general have utmost respect for the ladies. We really respect women in army. Uh, whether a wife, whether a sister of an army officer, we really respect women. Civil may, in this case, I would say, first of all, it's a societal failure. A doctor who's working overnight and beyond the call of a duty, you have done this thing to it. Your question, how army can do it? There, देखिए,
Maybe how
एक
army can help.
army can.
I don't know.
In
It
this
might be a very
case,
stupid
okay,
question.
no, it is not a stupid question, I would say. But what I would say is that instead of army help, it is the state government, it is the state police who have to get their act together. Army is obviously army will assist whether it is a relief work, whether it is any kind of things when it goes beyond the civil administration, army is called. But in this case, I would say that army cannot be obviously it cannot be uh, deployed to suppress the violence or something like that because it is not our mandate. However, what I would like to know is कि हर चीज में आर्मी ही क्यों should be the last line of defense. यानी कि सब कुछ खत्म हो गया, आर्मी आ गई, ठीक है, we if the state or the government or the center wants it, we will come, there is no point. But in this case, more so pertinent is the state government which is on hand, which is a elected government which needs to work, ably assisted by the center in case they want some assistance from center, which should happen. And it is police, it's their mandate, they are supposed to यानी कि उनका काम है ये सब चीजें करना. इंसिडेंट हो गया, इट इज वेरी बैड, इट शुड नॉट हैव हैपेंड. बट आफ्टर दैट पुटिंग द परपेट्रेटर्स यानी जिन्होंने क्राइम कमिट किया है एट द फास्टेस्ट पॉसिबल टाइम in front of justice and giving them justice is the only way. So how army can be involved in this?
Okay,
Not. Yeah.
I'll rephrase my question a bit.
Yeah.
If hypothetically, if you were on the side जहाँ आपको डिसीजन लेना है कि विक्टिम जो जिन्होंने ये काम किया है उनके साथ क्या होगा, वो आपके हाथ में है डिसाइड करना, तो व्हाट वुड द एक्शन बी?
The action is that first of all, if I am at a position, I am for the government, employed by the government, and doing what the state wants me to be do, keeping in view the purview of the law. यानी कि I cannot let emotions overpower me. आप समझ रहे हो?
हाइपोथेटिकली
नहीं, hypothetically चाहे whatever thetically, because आप लोग, the point which remains to be understood is the thing has happened. Bring him to what my course of action is. Have whatever inquiries you want to prove him to be. If he's proven guilty, just give him the maximum punishment you can give at the fastest possible time. आप इसको linger on करोगे 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल, there is no point. Even 6 months in this case, because it's a heinous crime. आप crime की intensity देखिए. It's a rape against all moral acts of the society. ठीक है, crime is a crime, but in this case it is really bad.
Yeah.
So जल्दी से जल्दी justice दिया जाए in the maximum punishment. If it happens to be a death sentence, please give it. If it happens to be a death sentence, why not? If it happens to be life imprisonment, please do it, but don't delay it. I have, as a person in position, as a person who is empowered by the government to take that decision, अगर मैं उस जगह होता, quick and the punishment to be the maximum. In case the life has to go, it has to go, because the crime is such.
Mm-hmm.
Keeping the level of crime has been committed. मैं जल्दी action maximum, that would have been the case.
आई होप कि वीडियो आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा. अगर आप इसका फुल एपिसोड देखना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमने इसका लिंक डाल दिया है. आप जाके हमारे मेन चैनल पे इसका फुल एपिसोड देख सकते हैं. मेक श्योर इस चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करें एंड ये वीडियो को बहुत लाइक करें एंड बहुत सारे लोगों को शेयर करें. इससे हमें बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है ताकि हम आपके लिए और से और अच्छे से अच्छा वीडियो आपके लिए लेके आ पाएँ.